Mum. Excuse me? Do you want to say that again? Off Alfie goes.
Bye, Mum.
Bye. Love you. Right.
Hey, you too.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where are the pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? I thought that was quite good. Hooray! Well done! Yippee! Silly Billy. I love you. I love you too. Where is Alfie? Oh God, here he comes! Let's hide! Bye! Peter picked a peck of pickled peppers. Did he? Yes. Here he comes! Quick, hide! Love you. Love you more. He's coming! Oh no! It's the police! Hola! A driving license? No, I don't have one, officer. Sorry? Pull over, okay. Love you. Bye-bye. Uh-oh. It's the police. Everybody get ready. Uh-oh.
Hellcat.